Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom, and today we're talking about paperwhites. And now, paperwhites are a type of narcissus that many of us in the northern climates grow indoors in the winter because they're a very easy bulb to what we call force. In other words, the bulb itself doesn't need to be in the ground all winter to come back up in the spring. You can buy these at a garden center, and you just basically can grow them in stone or you can grow them in soil. Now, one thing you'll notice on this bulb is that I have not covered the bulb. The bulb really wants to just have the bottom either touching water in stone, so you'd have some stone with a little bit of water and you could just kind of tuck the bulb in there. But you want to leave the top of the bulb exposed like this. It does help the bulb to be healthier so that the bulbs don't rot. And then you get the flower. And a few weeks after you give this water, you'll have the flowers. Now, don't treat this like a houseplant. A lot of the videos here we have at Growing Wisdom, we talk about how to keep plants alive, but this one we just talk about how to enjoy it. It's something that you want to put somewhere where you can enjoy the beautiful flowers and also the fragrance. It's got a very strong fragrance. Some people think it's a little too strong. I happen to love it. It really reminds me of the winter months. Look at this particular set of paperwhites, a lot of blooms, and I'm really enjoying this inside. Now, we're showing this to you outside, but it's just for effect. Keep it inside. It is not frost tolerant. This will flower for several weeks, and then eventually the flowers will start to brown and bend and the leaves will get really tall, and at that point, throw it away. You don't need to keep it going as a houseplant. It's just something to enjoy. So paperwhites, they're a wonderful winter flowering plant, really easy to grow, and the good thing is you don't have to keep it growing. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.